Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. So today we are going to learn how to declare a variable, right? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So to declare a variable, we have the options like declare variable. So here you can see that I have declared test variable. Okay, you can see, and if I go and just echo dollar dollar test variable, okay, so it should print my name is Rajnikant. I will put the full name, okay, right? And let's run this bash script. So here we go with the open terminal is open. Okay, let's run this command test.bash. You can see that. So whatever I have assigned a variable, okay, to this part, right? And so any of the like functions, if you want to assign to something, so this is how you can declare the variable. Okay, you can store anything to that variable and you can print it or echo it, right? With the help of this part, right? Declare test variable. Okay, so this is the process of declaring a variable. Okay, in the coming series we are going to learn if there is a string with the hyphen, then how to remove that hyphen and print the whole part, right? So meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.